Good morning. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this Galaxy A40 phone. Let's turn it over. Let's see what's in the box. Oh, there's a surprise. USB charging lead, charger, earphones does anyone actually use, and the obligatory pin. You'll find out what that's for in a minute. Let's take the cover off. Let's switch it on and see what happens. There we go. Usual thing for Samsung. I'm curious to know how well its battery is charged. Come on, you can do it. Needs some setting up. This is not a setting up video. I shall come back shortly. Actually, there's a reason I've got this phone, and it's because I've already got one, and I dropped it. You can't see it too well, but trust me, I actually managed to crack the screen. What I'm hoping to do, I've never done this, is I know they can do it, and that's copy the data from one phone to the other wirelessly, and that's what this phone has just asked for. So if I tap wireless, go next, bring those settings first. I shall read this and come back again shortly. This is rather quick. It's don't believe it. It just found the internet connection. It's copying it. I'm somewhat well impressed. Although I do think, to be fair, I should plug in this new phone because its battery isn't exactly fully charged. Next. You don't want to sit and watch it checking for updates. I shall be back shortly. You can't see it very well, unfortunately, but it's now downloading all the apps I've got on this phone. It's downloading them onto that phone. So yes, I'm really quite impressed. Well, I have to admit, it's taken it a while, but then again, it spent most of its time downloading all the apps I've got. The one thing I will say so far is that it's not a problem, but it's put the apps in a different place. But apart from that, everything is actually here. It's copied it over, passwords, everything. I'm really impressed with that. Let me move everything around a bit and make it back to how I used to be, and I'll show you more about the phone. To be honest, it did not copy over my emails, which I found rather annoying because I have several email accounts and getting them set up is not the easiest thing in the world. So I'm trying a different option. As well as what it's already transferred over, it's copying everything else this way. I'll let you know how I get on. After you have used the app to copy from one phone to the other, I would then suggest you do it again, but use the Samsung Smart app. As you can see, it copies everything else over that you didn't do before, also including the emails. Totally impressed with that one. One other thing to show you regarding the Samsung A40, it's to do with this pin that I mentioned earlier. More specifically, the pin releases this. Let's zoom in. This side here is for a memory card, should you so choose to use one. I personally do, because it makes life easier. But these two bits here, believe it or not, this phone can have dual SIM cards. Yes, you can have two different SIM cards, two different networks in it. I'm not sure why you want to, but apparently you can. If you want to let me know why, please do so in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching.